All right. Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. So the Bulls is in the house. We've been talking about that on an important level at 5,600 here for some time. And with the earnings last night of Microsoft and Meta, it looks like we have busted through those levels. All right. You're looking at the ES here, and we're right there, 56, 57, on our way up to 5,700. Things keep moving like this, we can get back into the 6,000s and we can stay bullish. We'll see. This is still a news market, but we'll continue to see how things go. Let's take a look at the SPY right now. See what's happening with the SPY. The Bulls is in the house. All right. The Bulls. Let's go look at the SPY. Right. We got 56, 61 that we need to get through. Let's see what's that, 558. So support's 558, resistance 561. We break through 561 on the SPY, and it's on to the upside. Let's take a look at the Qs. Now, I will tell you the tech sector is looking very bullish this morning, pre-market. Again, that's with the big jump in Microsoft and Meta, which we will check out shortly. All right, we busted through that 480 level, and we are on our way already at 483 on the Qs. Supports look like 482. And let's go just look at the 4 hour real quick. Man, Qs can run up today. Qs can definitely run up today. We're across the 200 on the Qs on the 4 hour time frame. Look like we have a squeeze that broke overnight. We'll see if this momentum continues to go. Let's take a look at Microsoft, see what it did. So Microsoft shares jumped around 9% in pre-market trading after the company reported $70 billion in quarterly revenue. So Microsoft kicked butt, and it's off to the races with Microsoft. It's off to the races. Where we going? 447. Yep, Microsoft is on a run. Let's take a look at Meta. All right, Meta's got an important level. It jumped. The company posted better than expected results with a 16% year-over-year increase in revenue driven by advertising and announced plans to boost its AI-related capital expenditures. Investors are also anticipating earnings reports from Apple and Amazon set to be released after market today. Apple shares are slightly down ahead of the report, while Amazon's up 3%. So look at Meta right here. We got an important level of 591. Meta and Microsoft is going to be important to look at because they can continue to have the Qs and the rest of the tech sector continue to go bananas the rest of the day today. So keep your eyes on that. Let's take a look at a couple of stocks in the financials. All right, let's take a look at Visa real quick because we do got some things setting up in financials, I think, with Visa, JP Morgan, and Goldman Sachs. Bring this back down to the hourly. All right, so Visa has a resistance at 346 and support at 342. So if it breaks this 342, we got a nice run down here at 337 with Visa. Let's go look at JP Morgan. Resistance at 245. Support at 242. JP Morgan. Let's take a look at Goldman Sachs. All right. Goldman Sachs looked like it got above the 550. It's at 550. We got resistance at 554. Support at 536. So keep our eyes on Goldman Sachs. Let's go take a look quickly on a 2 hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, Goldman Sachs is definitely looking bullish. If it can get through 554, it's a run up. So take a look at those three in the financial sector. If they're able to break their resistance level, Goldman Sachs, Visa, and JP Morgan, we can have a potential run there. Let's go look at the SPY one more. Yeah, we're at 561 on the 2 hour. We're above the moving averages. I have to say again, this is probably a day we're looking for longs. Even if there's a pullback and a dip, we probably look to pick up the on the pullback And this week has been a lot of chop and movement first half of the morning, and then after 1 o'clock, a breakout to the long side. And this can probably continue with Apple and Amazon having earnings tonight. All right. As far as anything else happening in the market today, I said global shares are rising. Subdued trading due to May Day holidays in many markets. Asian markets close higher. That's pretty good when the Asian markets close higher, even though we're having these trading conflicts. That typically means that we're probably going to have a bullish day. S&P is up, the Dow is up, and the QQQs are up. All right. Well, hopefully this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe and check me out in the next video. All right. Take care.